Welcome to Health Solutions. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to make super weight loss roti which will help you lose up to 5 kilos in a month. We all eat roti, and what better than using whole wheat flour. But apart from plenty of health benefits of consuming whole wheat flour, there are some drawbacks too. I don't know how many of you know or realize that it's very difficult to lose weight if you're having normal roti made of whole wheat flour, as it has gluten which can lead to malnutrition, irritable bowel syndrome and weight gain, etc. Yes, weight gain. People feel that eating roti will lead to weight loss, but that is not the case. And because it's a staple food in many countries, I thought of coming up with this recipe. It's also a part of my video ended meal plan to lose 10 kilos in 10 days, so do watch if you wish to lose weight fast. Now to start with, take 1 cup of whole wheat flour or atta. Next, take 8 tablespoons of oats in a frying pan along with 1 tablespoon each of flax seeds and sesame seeds. I'm using the white ones. Dry roast them until the oats turn light brown. We all know oats are one of the healthiest grains. They are full of fiber and keep us full for a long time. Body digests it at a slower pace, keeping blood sugar steady, energy up and hunger away. Flax and sesame seeds both have lignin which cause your body to release more fat-burning liver enzymes. Flax seeds has fiber which offers weight loss benefits. It also provides good amount of nutrients and a good source of vitamin C, potassium, zinc, etc. Sesame seeds are also rich in minerals and a great source of protein and calcium which promotes weight loss. Once oats and seeds are roasted well, shift them to a grinder and grind it into a fine powder. It should look like this. You can also watch this video in Hindi in my second channel, Wikipedia. Also please subscribe my channels and like and share the videos, as that's what keeps me going. Now mix this with the wheat flour and make a dough. Make small balls of the dough and with the help of a rolling pin, roll out medium-sized rotis. Now make rotis on a hot griddle and enjoy them with an oil-free sabzi, dal or raita. A bowl of eggplant raita or vegetable raita helps increase the weight loss process. You can watch the video of eggplant raita in my channel. Links are updated in the description box. Normal whole wheat flour roti is not suitable for diabetics, as it can't produce enough insulin to control blood sugar hikes caused by the roti. But this roti can be had by diabetics as well, as it has oats, flax seeds and sesame to control blood sugar levels. Have 1 or 2 roti at a time, as that's the right quantity on a weight loss journey. Replace your normal atta roti with a super weight loss roti to lose up to 5 kilos a month. And I will see you soon with a new video. Till then, eat right and stay light. That's right. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.